The famous Vadakanathan temple of Thrissur, where Shiva is worshipped, is well known for its Thrissur Puram, where magnificently decorated elephants are paraded annually. The temple itself has now brought India international fame by winning a top UNESCO award. Sneha Koshi brings you more.
A temple which is more than 1,200 years old, but still preserved in a pristine form. This is the famous Vadakanathan temple in Kerala's Thrissur district, where lakhs of devotees and tourists gather every year to witness the famous Thrissur Puram. Their ceremoniously decorated elephants are paraded amidst much fanfare and reverence. The temple has won UNESCO's 2015 Asia Pacific Award for conservation efforts.
We got this award for a work we have done for the last 13 years without disturbing any vastu or sculptures. Without disturbing, we take this for 13 years with the help of Archaeological Survey of India with Cochin Devasam Board.
Temple authorities have preserved the murals, idols and woodwork just as it was in the ancient of times. No cement has ever touched the 3 floors of the Gopurams, the traditional entrances or the rest of the temple. A mixture of natural lime with herbs and jaggery and special Ayurvedic oils have been used to preserve this cultural heritage.
കേരളത്തിൽ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങേറ്റം അഭിമാനിക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. ഈ അവാർഡ് മറ്റ് ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളും ഇതുപോലെ ഉയർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും.
Sneha Koshi for NDTV.